Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the annual Daisy Kara burping contest.
Fucking disgusting.
Don't mind that idiot in the background. You don't want that on there anyway. Start it over.
No.
We now begin. Your best burps, ladies.
Oh. Well.
I want to do it too.
Wait, that was round 1.
You're out of the loop.
I
That's
didn't get my fucking ignorant.
Oh, Kara comes back with a hearty burp.
No, don't talk like that.
Daisy can't answer. Answer the burp.
Well, we're doing round by round, G.
Okay.
I only have a little bit of Coke left. Dad, I need your Coke. And I'll go get you another one when I'm done. We'll just share this one for when I
Are you still recording right now?
Uh-huh.
Are you just going to edit it?
No.
You can't edit this? With any program you have on there?
Hello, did you not hear that one?
Oh, that was obscure, but
Mine said,
Very
Mine
hollow.
was like,
yeah,
I
good
know.
tone.
That was banging, actually.
It was like a hollow sound.
Alright, that was round 2, I won.
Okay, that's 2 Daisy.
And whoever wins the next one wins.
Alright.
You wanna play?
Okay, ready? Not yet.
Load up. Gas up.
I got
Gas up, ladies.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's horrible.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
Wait, what? Mine was in that too.
Who's the
Wait,
winner?
we have
Let's redo that one.
Okay.
We're so dumb.
I thought Kara's was awesome.
Mine-
Amazing. I don't know.
Mine was in with her. We did it at the same time.
Maybe that's why I heard the R.
That was Daisy.
It went down low and then came out.
How about it was just, you don't have any more Daisy?
Oh, here's one. Is there anything in there? Fucking poop holes. Give me that. Wait, can you get me one? Please? Why are you mad at me? I didn't do anything.
She's just joking.
Oh. I was talking shit on you, Samantha, and Kara. I was talking about you too.
Who are you talking shit on me about? Oh! Jasmine, I was talking shit on you.
Wait.
Now we have to tag that Jasmine in that video.
No, I'm not. I can't put it on Facebook. Oh wait, yeah, you can because nobody's gonna see it.
Yeah.
My face is so warm.
Because Josiah's not my friend. You want me to delete Josiah?
Josiah deleted his. Ow! You're not supposed to throw soda. Open this.
Okay, you have to share some of this with me because I only have a little bit. And we have to have it. Okay,
That was just a practice burp.
She said, Samantha, I was talking shit on you and Kara. Because you know how I always call Jasmine Jasmine? I was talking shit on you.
Kara, I'm thinking about, since I haven't gotten a job up here yet, looking down at the beach.
You're gonna drive there every day?
Well, I'd have to move down, but I could run a trailer somewhere.
Okay, I don't even care. I don't want to drink anymore. It hurts.
Yeah, me too.
Kara, you could start over again at Cape Henlopen School District.
Hey, ready? Here comes mine. Kara did her.
That's all right.
Okay, you're the winner.
Daisy got that right.
No, I thought it was all done.
The way you see that, you're like smiling.
Okay, let's
like,
just watch the video now.